Today we're talking about the robot in the room, artificial intelligence. How this tech is poised to flip the script on the job market faster than you can say algorithmic automation. We're counting down the top 10 jobs AI is about to devour. Stick around, because you might want to update that resume sooner than you think. First up, data entry clerks. AI thrives on information. It eats data for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Those spreadsheets you've been filling out? AI can do that faster, better, and without breaks. Sorry, Carl from accounting, but your days might be numbered. This isn't sci-fi fantasy, folks. This is happening right now. Next on the chopping block, telemarketers. Nobody enjoys getting those robocalls, right? Soon, it'll be robots making those calls. AI chatbots can handle customer service, book appointments, and even try to sell you that timeshare. They don't need sleep. They don't ask for raises. And they're always in a chipper mood. Number 8. Remember the good old days when you could walk into a store, grab your groceries, and chat with the cashier. Those days are going the way of the dinosaurs. Self-checkout kiosks are popping up faster than Starbucks, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. And in the 7th list, travel agents. Your vacation is now automated. Remember travel agents? Thanks to AI-powered travel apps, they're becoming relics of the past. You can book a flight, find a hotel, and get restaurant recommendations with just a few taps on your smartphone. Number 6. Assembly line workers. Robots on the rise. Manufacturing jobs have always been a cornerstone of the economy. But even this blue-collar bastion is feeling the heat from AI. Robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, performing complex tasks with precision and speed. And let's not forget, robots don't need unions, coffee breaks, or healthcare plans. Number 5. Bank tellers. Your money. No human contact required. Online banking and mobile apps have made visiting a bank about as appealing as a root canal. AI-powered chatbots can handle your basic banking needs 24/7, making traditional bank tellers almost obsolete. Coming in the number 4, the customer service reps. Can you hear me now? It's a robot. Remember those endless hours spent on hold, listening to elevator music while waiting for a customer service representative? Get ready for a future where you're met with the cold, unfeeling response of an AI chatbot. They're cheaper, available 24/7, and they'll never put you on hold. What's not to love? Number 3. Proofreaders. Grammar Nazis. Meet your AI overlords. AI-powered grammar and spell check tools are so advanced they're making even the most meticulous human proofreaders obsolete. They catch typos, grammatical errors, and suggest better word choices, all in a fraction of the time it takes a human. Second in our list are the taxi drivers. Fasten your seatbelts. The future is driverless. The open road, the wind in your hair, the thrill of navigating rush hour. Self-driving cars are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They're here, and they're coming for your jobs. Companies are pouring billions into developing autonomous vehicles, and it's only a matter of time before they become ubiquitous. And finally, in the top of our list, librarians. Shh. The robots are reading. Libraries. Those hallowed halls of knowledge, where the Dewey Decimal System reigns supreme. AI-powered search engines and digital catalogs make it easier than ever to find the information you need without setting foot in a library. Who needs a librarian when you have Google? The future is now. Are you ready? So, there you have it, folks. 10 jobs that are about to get whacked by the AI hammer. But hey, don't despair. AI also presents incredible opportunities. The key is to adapt, evolve, and learn new skills. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what jobs AI will obliterate next. Until next time, stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay human.